Hello everybody, it's John from immoviewer 360 and today I'm going to show you guys how you can rename your tours. So renaming your tours is relatively easy. All you guys have to do is just click on this gear icon right here, just beside the tour name, and two options should appear on your screen. We have edit basic information or copy tour. Now what we want to do is we want to click on edit basic information, and from there we can now rename the tour. In this case, let's just say immoviewer sample tour second copy. So click on save, and as soon as you click on save, it should refresh your dashboard, and you should now see the changes taken into effect. So that's how you rename your tours, guys. If you guys have any questions, feedback, suggestions, send us an email at help@immoviewer.us or chat with us at help, I mean, at immoviewer.com. Thanks and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.